Skills cut my tokens, MCP cut my context, subagents cut something else. Time. Last week I shipped a feature in 12 minutes that used to take an hour. 5 subagents, all working at the same time. Here's how. 5 Claude Code subagents I run on every meaningful change, ranked by minutes saved per feature. The 5th one paid for itself the first day I wrote it. 1. Researcher, the agent you fire and forget. You inherit code. You ask Claude what it does. Claude reads 2,000 lines, tells you, and burns 10,000 tokens you didn't budget for. Now your real session is half spent. The researcher subagent runs in its own context window. You hand it a path or a library name. It reads, summarizes, and returns 5 bullets. Your main session never sees the source. You see the answer. Without 3,000 main context tokens, with 600, and while it ran, you wrote tests. 2 Reviewer. 2 Reviewer runs while you keep coding. You finish a feature, you run lint, you read the diff, you think about edge cases, you scan for risk, all of it serial, all of it your time. The Reviewer subagent does the same checklist in the background. Lint, spec match, risk flags, naming. 8 minutes of work that costs you 0 of your minutes. You're already on to the next thing. 8 minutes serial, 0 of yours parallel. The single biggest unlock is the part where you stop waiting. 3 Tester. 3 Tester, 5 files, 5 subagents all at once. You touched 5 files. Each one needs tests. Serial Claude writes them one at a time. 12 minutes you wait, or worse, you skip the tests. The Tester subagent is one prompt template. You spawn 5 copies, 1 per file. They run at the same time, in their own contexts, in their own conversations. 2 minutes later, all 5 test files exist. All 5 passed. This is the parallel sweet spot. 12 minutes becomes 2, 6 times faster, same output, same test framework, and it pairs with the test writer skill from the last 2 videos. 4 Doc Writer. 4 Doc Writer, the one you'll actually use. Docs are the thing nobody writes after the code lands. You ship the function, you add a comment that says to do docs. 6 months later, that comment is a tombstone. The Doc Writer subagent runs after each merge. It reads what changed, it writes the doc string, it updates the README section. It commits as a separate PR you approve in 15 seconds. 0 context switching. The token cost is small. The time saved compounds across every feature. 6 months later, your docs still exist. 5 Migrator, the one that proves the trilogy. You renamed a function, 18 files reference it. The careful diff, the audit, the 45 minutes of hand-holding while Serial Claude touches 1 file at a time and sometimes gets it wrong on file 12. The Migrator subagent takes a refactor recipe and a file list. You spawn 5 of them. Each handles 3 or 4 files in parallel. They report back independently. You review 18 file diffs, not 18 separate Claude conversations. 45 minutes becomes 8, 5.6 times faster. And because each subagent only sees its own files, the context cost drops with the time cost. Ranked by minutes saved. 5 Doc Writer saves the docs you'd otherwise skip. 4 Researcher reads in a different context, leaves yours clean. 3 Reviewer 8 minutes of work, 0 of yours. 2 Tester 12 minutes becomes 2. 1 Migrator 45 becomes 8. All 5 subagent prompts are linked below. Trilogy is done. Skills, MCP subagents. Next, I'm comparing them all to Cursor. Subscribe.